learners, how are you? How are you doing? It's your mathematics. I already told you that I'm going to complete the revision for you, okay, till the day before the final exam. Okay, so we continue. We told that you are going to continue revising. Okay, you have your own booklets. Okay, now we start. This is the question. Find, let's say, or differentiate the following function. Okay, here to differentiate these learners, just you are going to remember the quotient rule. Okay, quotient rule. Quotient rule told us that. I just started. Okay, I will just paste this. Okay, copy this. So we told this is my equation. To differentiate these learners, I will let you remember something. Remember that I will do it again. This is dy with respect to x. I will make y dash equal u equal e or equal v times u dash. Okay, u dash minus v dash multiplied by u. Okay, all divided by the square of v. This is the formula that I am going to apply. This is called what, learners? It's called the quotient rule. Okay, therefore I will suppose that x plus 1 is u. Okay, and x square minus 2x is v. Okay, I will write this as let u equal x plus 1. Okay, and I will make it down if it is possible. Okay, let u equal x plus 1. Therefore the first derivative of the function u is what, learners? And third, I will move to equation. This gives us, or this implies that u dash is equal to 1. The first derivative of the function x plus 1 is 1. Okay, then I will come into, I will suppose that v equal x square minus 2x. Okay, v equal x square minus 2x. Therefore, let's say v dash, or the first derivative of v, is equal to x minus 2. So v dash equal 2x minus 2. Okay, now to apply this y double dash, I will write it here. This one will give us, this is your original equation. You are going to differentiate it. Okay, I will make like that's how you can, let's say, obtain space. Therefore y dash, which is the first derivative of the function, is v. V is what, learners? Is that this is v. Okay, I will apply the formula as it is. Okay, equal v, we told v now is between parentheses is x square. Okay, multiply by u dash is 1. Multiply shift 8, multiply by 1. Okay, minus v dash now, learners, is 2x minus 2 between parentheses. 2x minus 2. I will close the parentheses. Multiply by what, learners? Multiply by u. U is what? Is x plus 1. Okay, then I will expand and simplify. All divided by what? Divided by, this is x plus 1 multiplied, we told that multiply. Okay, I will erase this one here. Okay, no problem. we told that. Okay, I will erase this now. Okay, minus 2x multiply by, we told the u is x plus 1. Okay, x plus 1. Then I will close my parentheses. Divide by what? By x squared minus 2x all squared. Divide by v squared is already you can see it is x squared minus 2x. Then I will close this one. Control the v. Okay, all squared. This is now the first derivative. Just there we have expanding. You will simplify more, you will get learners. Okay, this one will give us, I will do this again, equal. So x squared multiplied by 1 is x squared minus 2x multiplied by 1. It remains the same. I will just add this one. Okay, no problem, I will erase this one. Okay, then minus 2x multiplied by x squared, it will be x squared here. Okay, x squared, because minus 2, this minus 2 I will expand. Minus 2 multiplied by what? Multiplied by x gives, multiplied by x gives what? Gives 2x squared. I will write here 2x squared. Okay, I will write 2. I will write here, okay, 2x squared. Okay, 2x squared we told. 2x squared. Then I will erase this one. Then we told, okay, 2x multiplied by x is 2x squared. 2x multiplied by 1 is plus 2x plus 2x. Okay, then minus 2 multiplied by x is minus 2x, minus 2x. Then minus 2 multiplied by positive 1 is minus 1. Okay, then I will erase the rest. This one I should be erased. Okay, okay, now you can see that x squared minus 2x squared, it will be only, let's say, minus x squared, because you see this minus should be, let's say, distributed or multiplied by 2x squared, then multiplied by 2x, then minus 2x, then minus 1. Therefore also you can see that 2x minus 2x is 0. I can cancel this one. I will just write the last one. I will cancel this. Okay, therefore we'll have x squared minus 2x squared is minus x squared. Then I will erase this one. Okay, therefore we have okay, minus 2x I will write as it is, minus positive 1. I will write here plus 1, plus 1. Then I finish it now, finding my first derivative of the function y equal x plus 1 over x squared minus 2x using the quotient rule. This one it's called quotient rule. Okay, quotient rule. Okay, this is quotient rule. Okay, meaning that you are going to multiply 1, you multiply 1 by x squared minus 2x, okay, minus v dash, or the first derivative of v multiplied by x plus 1, okay, then all divided by the square of v, which is between parentheses x squared minus 2x. So this is the last answer, learners. You can write it without parentheses, no problem. If you want to write it without parentheses, you will make like that. This one is equal to what? Equal we told without parentheses. I will get what is inside. Okay, cut. I will erase all of this. So this is the last answer. Okay, Now we move to the next part. This is for what? For the first example, a small a. This is the small a learners. This is the answer. How can you differentiate using the quotient rule? Okay, I wish it clear for you learners. Okay, just here I will extend this one, you can see it. What is okay, I will make this one, I will make small. I will see if it comes. I will make 12, 14, yes, approximately, you can see it. Okay, my learners, this is the first derivative of the quotient. Okay, now we move to the next part. I will see if we have another question here. We don't have. I will move to the next part. Okay, I'll put here, I'll check if it works or not. Okay, I thought it works. Yes, okay, good man. Now I'll move to the next part. I'll make a copy for this. Now I'll move to small b. What is small b, learners? You can see that small b is exponential sine x over exponential to x. Okay, so I'll just write enter, then I'll make paste here. Okay, therefore learners, here to solve this question it's the same. I will make y equal sine of x, okay, divided by exponential 2 of x, exponential 2x, okay, 2x, 2x only. This is my equation. I want to differentiate this, learners. Remember that y dash is v multiplied by u dash minus v dash, or multiplied by u all v squared. Just will suppose that the v is equal to, we'll suppose that v is equal to exponential to x. Therefore v dash is 2 times the exponential of 2x. Okay, and sine of x, I will suppose that u is sine of x. Okay, I will make here sine of x. Okay, sine of x. Okay, I will erase this one. I will make here sine of x. Okay, so the first derivative of sine of x, learners, is cosine of x. Okay, now I will just erase this one. Now to apply this, I will make what? I will erase all of this, no need. Okay, or I will, okay, so the first derivative of sine is cosine. I will write here cosine x. Okay, copy. I will multiply with all v multiplied by u dash. U dash now is cosine. I will multiply this by cosine. Right, cosine. Therefore my equation v is exponential to x. I will write here exponential to x. Okay, then minus the first derivative of exponential to x is 2 exponential to x. I will write here, you see, the first derivative of my function of v, I mean. Okay, multiply by what? Multiply by sine of x. Multiply by sine of x. Okay, this is sine of x. Then I will erase the rest. So divided by what? By exponential 2x all squared, 2x. Then I will subtract, I will cancel this. all squared. Okay, you can see that, learners, here we have exponential of x. Okay, exponential of x, and here also we have exponential of x. Okay, on the denominator value, you can exponential of 2x all squared is exponential. I will write it here if it is possible. Copy. I will write this. So we told here exponential to x all squared in fact is exponential to x. I will just, okay, this one, copy. Now I will erase this. I will make exponential to x multiply by exponential to x. So I can cancel this and that with one exponential of x. I will make here blue. Okay, therefore the last answer is what? Is cosine of x minus sine of x. Therefore this one is equal to cosine of x minus sine of x. I will erase the rest. Okay, all divided by what? By exponential to x. By exponential to x. This is the first derivative of the function. I wish it's clear for you, learners. Okay, there is another method also. Just you will this write down up, it will be exponential minus 2x, and you will try to differentiate the product rule. Okay, as you like, choose the best method. If you want to do it, I will do this for you. The second method, I will make enter. I will just take this. Okay, I will make here. I will leave this again. I will write what, learners? I will paste it here. This is first method. First method. Maybe one student, the first method is not clear for you, for him or for her. This is first method. Using what? Using the quotient rule. Okay, now we move to the second one. Second method. Second method. I will use product rule. Product rule. Second method with the capital. Okay, so here, learners, it's very easy. I will just consider my equation as that. You see, exponential minus 2x, it will come as up above this main division. It will be exponential minus 2x, exponential minus 2x, multiply by what? Multiply by sine of x. Okay, this is the product of, let's say, two equations, u and v. Okay, I will make, this is my equation now. Remember now that if y, remember that the product rule in fact is equal to, I will erase this one, is okay, is v dash multiply by u plus u dash multiply by v. Okay, this is, learners, it's called product rule. It's called product rule. Product rule. Okay, then I will cancel this one. Means if I will suppose that u is sine of x, so u dash is cosine of x. Now I suppose that v is exponential minus 2x. Therefore v dash is minus 2. Minus 2. Okay. Therefore, learners, if we are going to use this again, I will just this method. I will write exponential. This one exponential to x. I will write it up. Okay. Copy. Complete. It will be equal. Sorry, equal, Mr. Murad. Equal what? Equal exponential minus 2x. Between parentheses, I'll open the brackets to write this. Okay, this is when you use the quotient rule. Okay. Okay. Now, because exponential to x, you can write it on the numerator here. So it will be minus 2x multiplied between parentheses cosine x minus sine of x. Therefore, learners, I will now apply the formula. I will erase all of this. So y dash is what? In fact, is v dash, which is this. Okay. Multiply. I will just okay, minus. Okay, I will just erase this equal sign. Multiply by what? Multiply by u. U is sine of x. Okay. Then then what else here? How it comes here first? We told okay, to exponential. Okay, we told exponential x, okay, minus, yes, this is minus 2, and this is also minus 2. Okay, because the first derivative of v exponential to x is 2 times exponential of x, so this one is also minus 2, and this is the last answer. Okay, now I will write it down if it is possible. Okay. Therefore, learners, now I'm going to continue here. We told minus 2 exponential to x sine of x plus what? Multiply. Okay, plus u dash is cosine, plus cosine of x. Okay, cosine of x multiplied by my original equation, which is my exponential. This is exponential minus here exponential of, I will write in front of the cosine, it's better. Okay, therefore you can see this one, exponential minus 2x is a common factor of exponential minus 2x sine x and exponential minus 2x cosine of x. I will write it, I will put it outside the brackets. I will make like that, exponential minus 2x copy should be equal, learners. Okay, multiply between parentheses, it will be cosine of x cos x minus what? Minus 2 sine of x, minus 2 sine of x. So, which is in fact equal to the same answer as that, which is equal this one. So whatsoever you use, you should find the same answer. This is quotient rule, and this is what learners is product rule. At least in this question we solve the sub question B into 2 methods and choose the best for you. Okay, both of them should, let's say, lead at the same answer. Now the equation of the curve is y equal, okay, x over x, x plus 1 all squared. You can also write it as x multiply, I will write it as, if it is possible, I will write equal, I will make x multiply between parentheses. Okay, I will insert my symbol. It will be x, plus 1. Okay, close parentheses, to the power what? This one I will write it up to the power minus 2. This is product rule, minus 2. Or use this one, it's called product rule, and this one quotient rule. Okay, if we are going to differentiate y, use quotient rule or product rule. So whatsoever, you have the 2 methods. Now the question now is what? I will try to answer this one, learners. Find the first derivative of, or find the coordinates of stationary point. Means what? Stationary point means you should, let's say, find the first derivative of y and then set y dash equal 0. Okay, let's start here. I will make this one copy and I will write it here. Okay, now I will use which one? Okay, I will use, let's say, the product rule. Okay, I will suppose that y is equal to this one. Okay, y is equal to this. Okay, now remember that if y equal v multiplied by u, v or u is x, this is u is x. Okay, and lv is lv, and v learners is equal to x plus 1 x plus 1 to the power negative 2. Okay, this is my v. I will use, let's say, the product rule. Therefore the product rule tells that u equal x, therefore I will write here x, therefore u dash is 1. Clear? Is 1. Okay, now if v equal x, I will just write it here, x plus 1 close parenthesis. Okay, to the power what? To the power negative 2. Okay, this is my equation v. I will differentiate this. It will be minus 2 exponential. I will write it here. Okay, so this one equal minus 2. I will apply the chain rule here. Okay, it will be minus 2. This minus 2 will come as let's say will come as here in front of my function. It will be minus 2 because this is negative. Then the first derivative of x plus 1 learners is 1. I will make multiply by 1. Okay, multiply by what? By x plus 1 to the power negative 2 negative 1. Then I will try to simplify this. This one is equal to, it will be okay, it will be minus 2. I will write this again. Okay, copy, equal minus 2. I will simplify. Minus 2 multiplied by 1 is minus 2. Okay, then x plus 1 to the power negative 2 negative 3 gives negative 2 negative 1 gives negative 3. So this is the first derivative of the function v. Now learners, I will okay, I will now find the first derivative. It will be what? The product rule is v multiplied by v dash multiplied by u. This is v dash. Okay, v dash multiplied by u. Multiplied by u. U is what? Is 1. Okay, multiplied by 1. So it will be the same. Badin plus, okay, we told v dash multiplied by u is here is x, so I'll put here x minus 2x. Then plus what? Plus we told now I should differentiate let's say u dash, which is 1 multiplied by v, means like that, means 1 multiplied by v, because the first derivative of x is 1. Okay, I will erase all of this. Okay, now this is learns the first derivative of the function y. Okay, now I will change this as a fraction if it is possible. I will make what? It will be equal, I will insert okay, the symbol of a fraction. Okay, I will write first minus 2x here, minus 2x minus 2x divided by what? By x plus 1 all to the power negative 3. Okay, then negative 3, now it will be positive 3 because you will write this in positive indices. So then plus what learners? Plus x plus 1 all to the power negative 2, it will be 1 over what? Over x plus 1 squared. Okay, squared. Okay, now if let's say to get the same denominator, try to multiply this by x plus 1. Okay, means try to appear this as, okay, because this is x plus 1 to the power 3, this is x plus 1 to the power 2. Therefore, I will write here x plus 1. I will open the parentheses. I will make x plus 1. Okay, sorry. X plus 1 divided by x plus 1 to the power 3. This is my first derivative of the function y. Now you can see that, look, minus 2x over x plus 1 all to the power 3 plus x plus 1 over x plus 1 all to the power 3 equal what, learners? They both have the same denominator. I will just add minus 2x plus x is minus x is minus x is minus x plus what, learners? Plus 1. Okay, plus 1. No. Just a moment. Total plus 1. Okay, divided by what? Divided by x plus 1 to the power 3, because I got same denominator. Okay, I will write it here. Now you can see now the term that is written, the equation or the term of x plus 1 to the power 3 never be equal to 0, because it's written in the denominator. So therefore, to find the stationary point, learners, you should set y dash equal 0, means minus x plus 1 should be equal to 0. I will just write it down if it is possible. Okay, or I'll extend this one. I will here, okay, write this there. I will make now set y dash equal 0, means y dash set y dash equals 0, means what? Means that minus x plus 1 is 0. Okay, means, okay, this is, okay, no problem. I will just use this one. Okay, cut, then cut all of this. Okay, I will make here minus, this will give us, this implies that this is equivalent to, okay, this one, the value of minus x plus 1 should be equal to 0. Therefore, the value of x is what, learners? Therefore, the value of x is 1. Okay, now at least I find the stationary point. X is equal to 1. Okay, at this point, you should find the value of y. Therefore, the value of y, learners, is just, you are going to substitute, replace x equal 1 on your equation. Okay, which is what? Which is this one, or this 1 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2, all squared. It will be 1 over 4. So it will be, I will write here, I will write this as it is now, no problem. You can use the quotient rule here or product rule, you'll get the same answer. So this one is equal to, instead of writing x, I will substitute with 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2 in fact, but I will appear this for you. It will be 1 equal 1 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4, because 1 plus 1 is 2, square 2, it will be 4, 1 over 4. This is, now if you want to conclude, you will tell that my stationary point in fact occurs at x equal 1 and y equal 1 over 4. Therefore, stationary point learners occurs at I will open parentheses, x is what? Is 1. X is 1 and the y value is 1 over 4. 1 divided by 4. Okay, that's it. Or I will write like that. 1 over 4. I will copy. I will write here. Okay. Clear? We see the stationary point occurs at x equal 1 and y equal open x equal 1 and y equal 1 over 4. I will change the color. Okay, at least you can see it. So here we used let's say product rule to figure out the x and the y coordinates of stationary point. Okay. 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 Now the next question: find the coordinates of stationary point. Class. We found it. The second question told you that I thought if we have this one. If you want to solve this with different method, I will use the quotient rule. Okay. What do you think? I will use this again, and I will solve it using quotient rule. Okay. I hope this one comes down. I don't know if it comes down or not. Okay, I will make enter. Okay, no problem. Now I'll move to the next question. Determine the range of values of x for which is an increasing. Okay. As learners, I will use this one. Okay. Increasing function means that you are going to find the value of x for which your equation is an increasing. It's easy here. My equation is what learners is y dash equal x square plus 5 plus 6x plus 5. Okay, plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so this is the value of y, because the function itself was, let's say, differentiated. Now set y equals 0, set y dash equals 0 to find the stationary point. Y equals 0 means what, learners? Means okay, I will make symbol. This will give us means that x in fact is minus is 1, and the second x is 5, because 1 plus 5 gives 6, and 5 by 1 is 5. So therefore x is equal to 1, or x is equal to 5, or use the method of completing the square to solve this question, or quadratic formula. Therefore I'm going now to my function, when it is an increase, when it's called an increased function, and when it is a decreased function. Therefore learners, I will just go down here. I will try also to extend this end. Okay, I will try to construct a table. I will suppose okay, I will insert now shape. Okay, so or I will use this one, because sine of y dash. Okay, I will use this one. Okay, then I will use numbers. I will consider here some numbers. I will erase it just for you. So it will be, I will consider 0, then I will consider 2, for example, then I will consider 6. Okay, this is the number that I'm going to consider. Now learns, I will make control alt end, alt end, the fn end. Okay, I'm going to see my paint draw. تعال see paint هنا. Okay, now I will paste this one. Yes, this is that what I'm looking for. Now learners, okay. Okay, now I will make like that. Okay, another I will make here. This is sign of what? Sign of this is sign of y dash, and this one the value of x. Okay, therefore the roots of my equation is what? Is x equal 1 or x equal 5. Okay, I will put here x equal 1. I will put it here. Then x equal 5, I will put it here. Okay, and then x, these numbers I will suppose that 0, it's a value of x that I'm going to take it. Means x equals 0 here, and I will choose a number between 1 and 5. I will get 2. Then you can choose 1.5, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Then a number more than 5. Okay, so sign of y dash I will write like that. Okay, and this one is value of x. Therefore I will take this here, my learners. Okay, I will make copy. Okay, now I will paste them here. I will now go back to the beginning. Okay, like that. We stopped at this, I thought. Yes, so now I will paste it. Okay, therefore now learners, I will just check the sign of y dash when x is equal to 0. This is the value of x. I will write here value of x. This one is value of x. Okay, value of x, values of x. Okay, now the first value of x is x equals 0. Therefore I'm going to substitute x here in the first derivative of the function. X equals 0. 0 squared plus 6 times 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 is positive or negative? Is positive. Therefore here I will just write positive. Okay, this one learns is positive. Okay, I will put it here. This one is positive sign, but I will use this positive sign. Copy. This is positive. Now I'm going to the next one, the next point. I will copy here. Okay, I will put here. Then I'm going to check if it is positive or negative. Okay, now when x equal okay, minus 1. Yes, x here, the roots are minus 1 here, minus 1 and minus 5. Minus 5. Okay, therefore this is of course is minus 1. I will substitute with minus 1. I will make here, copy, I will put it here. Go back. Okay, this one I will make copy v. So this one learners is the value of x, salam alaikum, which is negative. Okay, I'll paste here. Okay, I'll put here. Okay, no problem. I will go back. I will use this one. Okay. Control F and okay. This is we told is the minus 1. I will write here minus 1. Okay, this is also x equal negative 5. Approximately not clear. Okay, no problem. I will paste. So I will now get this. Go back, it will be like that. Now go back, okay. Now I will paste this. So this is x minus 1. I'll put it here. This is x equal -5. I'll put it here, and the 0 here, it comes like that. Oh, what happened? Okay, no problem. This is 0, it will be here. I will take -2 first. -2, I'll put it here. Okay, then now I will get okay, we told -2, -3. I will make here -3, but how can I write it? Okay, or I will do this differently. Don't worry, I will cross this, all of this. We told that I will cross all of this. Okay, across. Okay, all. I will make like that. It took time really, but no problem. So we told that the roots of this equation is -1 and -5. Now I'm going to draw a table, or I will make values of x. Then I'm going down, I will write sign of y dash. Okay, I will try to yes, like that. Okay, yes. Now I will consider some points. First of all, the roots of my equation, we told x is -1. I will write them here. X -1 and x equal -5. I will write them here. Okay, or no need to write it now. I will make like that. So -5, it will be here -1, and here it will be -5. Okay, because -1 is more than -5. Now I will use this one. This is the stationary point. I will make with common color. Now I'll move to the next one. I will write what? I will write x is equal to -6. -6. Okay, and here x is equal to -3. X equal -3, and up it will be what? X equal to 2, 0, for example, or 2, 1, whatsoever. 2, 0. Okay, now I will just make like that. This is now the values that I took. Okay, this is x -5. This is, I will make it black. Okay, black. Okay, and x is equal to 0. Okay, you are going to check the sign of y dash when x equal -6, x equal -3, x equal 0. Okay, therefore when x equal -6, it will be 36 -6 all squared will be 36, plus 6 multiplied by -6 is -36. 36 minus 36 is 0, plus 5. So this one is positive. This one will be positive, learners. Okay, this one, it will be positive. Positive. Okay, now for the second one, when x equal -3, -3 squared is 9, plus 6 multiplied by -3 is -18. 9 minus 18 is -9. -9 plus 5 is -4. Therefore, when x equal -3, so it will be -4, which is negative. Okay, I will make this one, but I will erase here the negative. I will make negative. Now when x equal 0, just it will be positive. It will be positive. Okay. Okay, now it's clear that your function, yes, your function here, it will be an increasing function when x is less than -5. Okay, I will make here an equation, or I will insert, let's say, symbol. Okay, I will insert now a shape. Okay, means your function is let's say positive if x is less than or equal to -5, and positive also positive if x is more than -5. Okay, so this is the solution. So we can write x is less. I will just as a conclusion, the range is what we told x should be less, or is less or equal, less or equal. Okay, I will write x, this is x is less or equal than -5 to -5. I will write it here, copy, or x is more than -1 or equal, or x is more than or equal to -1. Okay, this is the range. Okay, learners, thank you for listening. Now the charger maybe will okay, that is still okay. Now the second question, find an expression of dy with respect to x. Okay, copy, outcome is here, enter. So the question is, find an expression for dy with respect to x when x squared minus 2y squared equal 4. Okay, now learners, here I'll just make I will erase all of this, no need. I will try to find the first derivative of the function I will write dy with respect to x is equal to what? I mean, this one is equal to what? I will make نقطة استفهام إذا أردت. Okay, therefore I will start from this one. Okay, now I will start it. I will make the first derivative of x squared is 2x, is 2x we told. Then minus 2 multiplied by y. Okay, dy with respect to x, dy with respect to x. I can erase like that. Okay, so I will write here y, sorry, I will write y dy with respect to x equal what? Equal the first derivative of constant is 0. Okay, now I will just, this one is 2x, I will erase the first one. Okay, now learners, you see I can simplify by 2 here and there, or I will, this one should be transferred on the right hand side. Okay, so if it is negative it will be positive, and so therefore I will just write this as it will be 2 dy with respect to x, 2 dy with respect to x equal 2 times x, 2 times x. Therefore I will divide both sides by 2y. I will write dy with respect to x is equal to is equal to what? 2x divided by 2y, 2x divided by 2y, 2x divided 2x divided by 2y and up to x. Therefore, you can write this as x over y. Why? Because simply because the 2 is a common factor. It will be 2 divided, or it will be x over y. Okay, x divided by y. If we are going to find the stationary point, learners, it's very easy. Just set y dash equals 0. Okay, when x equals 0, so therefore the x value of your stationary point, it will be 0. Okay. Now the next we have second question. Now it's rainy, I thought. Yes, rain is falling. Yes, alhamdulillah. So here, learners, I will use what I will. Okay, I will try to solve this question. So we have what here? Question out of 3 marks. Okay. Look here, I will write sine of A. Sine of A is equal to what? Equal 5 over 13. Okay. And cosine of 2 of A is 12 divided by 13. Sine B 4 over 5, cosine B 3 over 5. Calculate sine of A plus B. I will just write here A plus B. Okay. So we will use the expansion of sine, okay, to get, let's say, the formula. We have sine A plus B, it will be. So now, learners, I should stop because واجد مطر لغالب. I should stop, sorry for that. Okay, I will stop streaming, but I will